Good morning, everybody, and thanks for joining us for another day of full-time van life.
We woke up this morning just out of Omaha, Nebraska at a Cracker Barrel. We're going to go in and have some breakfast. Special thanks to Dave and Kathy, some of our loyal followers, who gave us a gift card. Thanks, you guys. Let's go eat. Breakfast is served. Yum. Eggs Benny and a hash brown casserole.
All right, well, that was delicious. Thanks again, Dave and Kathy.
Thanks, guys. As we make our way west, traveling full-time on a low budget in our self-converted camper van with our cat, we're taking more time to explore Nebraska. Today we're arriving in Lincoln, the state capital, ready to check out a couple of free things to do in the area. Our first stop, the state capitol building. All right, we've arrived here in Lincoln, Nebraska, and right behind us is the state capitol building. We're gonna go check it out. Are you ready? We have recently discovered that we love to visit state capitol buildings. So far, they seem to be quite beautiful, and the best part is that you can do self-guided tours and find some really interesting things. It looked like this building wouldn't disappoint. While it's not as ornate as the Iowa State Capitol that we just visited before our stop here, it's impressive in its own unique way.
Look what I found.
Score. Another nice workplace.
Maybe.
So we really have no idea what we're doing or where we are. There's no directory, so we're just exploring. It's kind of fun.
We're just going to keep exploring until someone says we can't explore anymore.
We decided we're going to go as high as we can.
Right here.
14th floor, here we come.
Doesn't look like there's much up here, except for a little place to go outside. Denied. Oh, that goes this way. We have found it pays to explore as much as you can in a Capitol building. Whoa. You never know what you'll find. A dome above the dome. We think it's fun to try different floors, explore different hallways, ride up and down elevators, and pretty much just stumble upon the unexpected. In this case, it felt like we found our own secret little spot. We finally discovered a door that was open to the outside, and wow, were the views incredible.
See our van?
There it is.
There's our little van.
Let's see what else we can find. Maybe the floor below will get us to the top of the lower dome. Ding.
Try them all. Interesting. They must have certain floors blocked off to the general public. Keep going until we get to one we can go to. Well, there
Seven.
you go. 7's the magic number.
Well, that was fun. I think we're going to take advantage of another state capitol library. Why not?
But before we do that, we've got to have some lunch and grab our laptops.
Don't mind us. We're just doing a little bit of house cleaning in
state.
front of the state capitol.
We headed back into the Capitol building to take advantage of another beautiful, quiet library setting and spent a few hours getting work done. So we had had fun checking out the Capitol building, and now we're in the Haymarket district. We like to do things on a low budget, and these are a couple of free things to do. So this historic area has a lot of really neat buildings, and it seems to be mainly restaurants. And if you're wondering about the name, it's kind of straightforward. It's the Haymarket because back in the 1800s, that was what was sold here. Hay.
Hey, knock it off.
Look, we've even got a little bit of an old brick road here and some art. Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
After taking a little bit of time to explore the Haymarket district, we hopped back in the van to see more and then headed to find a spot to make some dinner. We may have picked the wrong time to come to this park. Cross-country race. Dang, look at all these kids. So I did some research and found online that there's a park where you can see wild bison. It's Pioneers Park Nature Center. We got into the park and there were just cars everywhere. We thought that was kind of strange for a nature area like this, and we realized there's a big sporting event going on. It looks like some cross-country races. But the park is really big. We're driving in further. There's a lot less cars, and hopefully we'll see some bison here. We're not quite exactly sure what we're doing, but it looks like there's this little loop that we can drive around. And we're just gonna try it out. This is the one-room schoolhouse.
Well, we spotted some bison out yonder.
Well, there they are. They're quite a ways out. A little bit hard to see.
Now that we spotted some bison, we're gonna make some bison burgers.
Who's that peeking behind the hat? Hi, little Lady Gray Gray. Hi, little Lady Gray. Oh my goodness, so check it out. Here they come. Here they come.
Well, this is quite a treat. Didn't expect to be this close to the bison.
We've seen bison before at Payne's Prairie State Park in Florida, but it doesn't seem to get old seeing them or any other wildlife. It was quite a treat to get to see them close up here at this park. Look, we're having dinner with the bison. Hey guys. We're all about doing van life on a low budget, so we don't go out to eat very often. So once again, we're doing a meal in the van and saving some dollars tonight. And I think that's going to do it for our time in Lincoln, Nebraska. We are probably going to do some more work at a library tomorrow, but you don't want to see that because that's boring. So I think we're going to leave you here tonight, and we'll see you next time.
We hope you enjoyed tagging along with us today. We always enjoy hearing from you, so please drop us a comment below. And until next time, see you later.